Hello dear loved ones, I'm just making this short video on behalf of all of us and as a concerned youth of Nigeria. Actually, if any person is not talking now against the police brutality and the NSAS issue and whatever, the person is should be blamed and whatever it may be, I just feel like the option of NSAS, dear Nigerians, is not the best and cannot be the best at this time. There are actually certain issues we need to consider before going for this NSAS issue. I've already let my voice out to one of a great YouTuber, frankly speaking, with Elijah, and I've let her understand the implications of our saying NSAS and NSAS and NSAS. Now, there are a lot of varied implications when we say that it is going for NSAS. But let me even think of it. Before we started this movement, what we were saying was reform SARS. All of a sudden, somebody just tweeted NSAS and all of us are going for NSAS. Then how is this actually possible? How can you just NSAS that way? Number one is that SARS is already an entity, established entity, a force that an anti-robbery squad. Okay, if we should go for ending of SARS now, where do we put them? Where do they go from there? I mean, when we end SARS, what becomes their fate? What becomes their what will they be doing in the society? You see that we end up causing another problem for ourselves instead of controlling the problem. So I think the best option is not even to think of ending of SARS, because these people are already acquainted with the use of rifles. They're already good in handling criminal offenses. They know most of our secrets. They have guns, private and government. And all of a sudden you just come and say, okay, no SARS again. Where would they now go? They will become the armed robbers of the night and no person will be able to penetrate them. And we're just creating a great insecurity for ourselves. So the best option, dear brothers, is for us to go with reform SARS. Please, I know most persons are actually boiling down here in Nigeria. Most persons are actually feeling very bad about it. But come to think of it, if you are strategizing and if you are at the helm of any society, the first rule of transition is that you don't just make change anyhow. You don't just wake up and SARS that has been established for years and you call it a quit. So it is looking at it logically. No matter how we protest about this, it is going to take the government time to actually say, okay, SARS, look at, you must end. And how is that possible? How is that logical? So it is still best for us. We are still beginning, but the truth must be said. The brutality is just too much, and we need to speak out this time. It should be reformed, rather, brothers. Please, let us go for reformation of the SARS instead of ending of SARS. I see danger in this issue of NSAS. I really see danger because I see that the government cannot in any way end SARS, and the populace, we cannot give up in our protest. And now we're already saying a lot of international communities are already joining us. People from US, UK, CNN, most news forums already carrying the news, and the government is already reacting in his own diplomatic way. Let us also consider the person at the helm of affairs. Ending SARS could be very much difficult for these people, and for us to curtail this, we can immediately switch to reformation of SARS. It can be reformed no matter what we think. These are human beings, and once we have breath in our body, we can always learn. We are made to learn. We continue to learn until at the point of death. There is no way that the National Assembly or whoever is in charge will bring up rules, splitted rules guiding the SARS, and they will just reluctantly go against it. I know they have been doing that, but now their awareness has been created. Again, we know of the fact that abuse does not really mean that a thing is no longer good. Yeah, I'll give you an example with our smartphones. We have our smartphones. We are told that this is good for us, but we shouldn't do this, do that with your phone. But most of us actually end up using these phones for things that are not even reasonable, things that are not even thought of, which I'm not free from. We end up using our phone for several reasons. But then it doesn't mean that we are abusing the use of our phone, that our phone is no longer necessary. But then when we are taught the correct use of our phones, then we begin to make the correct use of the phones. And if we eventually taught the correct use of our phones and we refuse to make use of it correctly, then we should be held responsible. I think that should be the angle we'll be telling the government to take action on. Let us please, my fellow able and lovely youths of Nigeria, our voices that have been heard, let us go for the reformation of SARS. Because honestly, I see danger. People already wounded, people already getting injuries. Yesterday somebody was shot in the mouth, the other person was shot in the leg. These are heroes anyway, but we have to also listen to the hands of the time. We need this reformation, and I think reformation remains the best thing we should go for, instead of chanting end SARS, end SARS, end SARS. It's gonna be very difficult, just as difficult as like me passing through the eye of a needle. It's just gonna be very, very difficult. And for most of us already protesting, we are not saying we should stop protesting. Let us continue with the protest until something is really done. So if you are out there watching this video and you've not made your own video on this issue of SARS brutality, then know that maybe you have not been affected. Because when you are involved, I know that you will react accordingly. And I really congratulate most of our Nigerian artists and celebrities that are already showing up in this protest. But let us lend our voice. Let us lend our voice to reform SARS instead of end SARS. Think in my direction. Ending SARS could be very difficult. It's already a created entity. If we say no, government says no, there is already a big problem. Okay, if eventually government says yes, there is pressure. Let us end SARS and end SARS. Where would they go? Those people that are already SARS members, where would they go? Okay, you collect their guns and you pursue them to the society. They will go there and become saints, right? Of course, we know they won't be saints there. So whatever was said, let us be more logical about it and think to the future. You are not alone, and I am not alone. We love you. One love, one nation, one Nigeria. Thank you very much. Much love.